Got most of it demoed. This floor's got to come up. All this is going to come out. We're going to put a wire. Well, I'll run a wire in here and put a light in for the tub. But I'm going to bring it all the way height, and then I'll just re-drywall up there. I'll take all this wood out, full height. And then I was going to cut this stack out, but since it's all copper up there, this doesn't really need to come out, but this is what needs to be replaced. So from here, everything, that'll be all new PVC. This main will stay because there's a PVC clean out in the basement. And then I can get access to this plumbing over here, and I'm going to redo the plumbing for this in PVC. We should be all right. So once it's new electrical, it'll be everything I want to do to it. So I haven't done an update video yet, or in a while. So this was fully gutted. As you can see, we got some of the new green board up. We got all new rough electrical. So this is all new Romax in the wall. As you can see, it's updated. New box. All this is new. And then along with all the PVC drains, it's all completely new. I might have taken a video, I just can't remember. And now I put fresh subfloor under just so when I came to leveling out the tub, you know, because I'm doing tile here, so it's money on the back, money here, and it's money there. And then I'm changing this out to an updated system. I don't ever put shark bites in the wall, so this is all changing out. I haven't decided yet if we're going to do all the way up with the tile or not. You know, we did rip the soffit out. There was a soffit in here. But yeah, and then I don't know if I said that this wall wasn't insulated, so we insulated it because why not? We're here. And then I updated also this plumbing or toilet supply. It was an old style to where the shutoff was down there. There still is a shutoff down there, but I wanted to have one here. It was the style that didn't have a shutoff, so this will be a rental. So I don't want it to be to where the tenant can't shut it off. See, it was that old style. So cut that off, stubbed up a new piece, and we're in good shape. So yeah, we're getting there. So I just had to cut this pipe down. So this was the old height because there was tile floor in here. So diamond blade, cut the cast iron. And then you have this style with this rubber gasket on it. And then this drops down in here. Once I deburr this will go in here and you have an updated toilet flange. Obviously I think I've covered already that I updated this. This is good. It's gotta be strapped still, clearly. But all the drains are good and new, and I'm going to start on this tile tomorrow. So, and we got the floor in at MDG Flooring. We'll pick that up tonight. And we'll get the flooring in through new basin and everything else, and we'll be in good shape. So, I'm going to show you the basement. So when I bought the place, they already did a basement waterproofing at some point. So I don't know where the PVC connects, but there's actually PVC coming out of the ground, which is nice for the kitchen and the tub. And then it, you know, obviously ties in somewhere over here. I updated from where the Fernco is up. I could have obviously put a coupling there, but I bought a Fernco because I actually thought what was coming out of the ground was just painted cast. So I could coupling that, but I just leave the Fernco because if I ever need to, it almost functions as a clean out. But anyway, so updated the tub drain. This is all steel. This was all steel for the vanity for the bathroom. Updated all that. And then there's a shutoff under here in the basement, but there was no shutoff upstairs. So I soldered on an extension so that I can add a shutoff upstairs since I demoed the floor. But yeah, I mean, all the stuff in the ground is PVC. We lucked out. So far, some small spots. There's some little touch-up paint spots to do, cleaning to do, but other than that, this is pretty much, we're good. So did a tile in here. New tub, new plumbing, everything you can think of in here is new. And same with this. All the electrical, plumbing, everything's new in here. So